Subscribe.
Today Brian Hill Climb Racing. I haven't played this in a while. Here's the gas and brake. Oh, how fast could I go? Does it say how fast? No. Okay. Gonna need some gas. Oh, there's some gas. Hill Climb Racing. It's a great game. Get my gas. And here we go. And there's so many coins. Holy moly. I broke my neck. Wow. Just wow. I'm back. My goodness. Get my gas. Almost at my record. Cat. Almost at my record. Oh. Dang. Wow. Playing Flappy Bird now. I guess. Oh, good. Oh my. Okay. Okay. Flappy Bird. Oh my. What? Almost hit my head. Make sure to comment down below which game should I play next. Please make sure to comment which game do I play next. Oh. Comment down below. Oh my. Oh. I had an ad break. And it freaking maybe should have maybe just Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. I'm at 10. I'm a beast, bro. I'm gonna be done after this. I can't stand. Holy moly.